Okay. So guys, if y'all saw, I welded that little thing. It's for the inside of a semi truck to hold back like whatever you're holding or carrying. Say you're carrying paper or whatever. It's from my parents' semi truck. So yeah, we welded that up, and the thing, it broke on it, so I had to re-weld that and stuff. So it turned out pretty good, and I'm also gonna show y'all some other stuff real quick. So we have been working on the Farmer Tech. I'm just gonna give y'all a sneak peek what we've got done so far. You'll be seeing this in another video. So here it is. So you got we have the cylinder on. So I'm just gonna give y'all a sneak, just a heads up. If y'all are struggling to put the cylinder on, we were struggling. So the cylinder, like I don't know what you would call them, but the little cylinder rings, they need to be trimmed for it to fit inside, because they would never fit. And we had to modify this or a cylinder compressor from Harbor Freight, because it was too big. But then we cut some metal off of it and it worked fine, so that worked. And then we got the clutch on. Well, not all of it. We're not completely done yet. We got the oiler, clutch on. We have the chain tensioner, and sorry, we got the chain tensioner right there, which is pretty cool because it's got that little thing right there, and this right here just spins. So every time you turn this, it spins that little thing right there, which spins your thing, or which moves your thing and tightens your bar. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing, oh, it fell out. Oh, great. But it's been really fun so far. So oh, and here's the muffler. So what I'm gonna do is if y'all can see that little hole, I'm gonna widen those, get a little more airflow. And we also have, I'm probably gonna do a series on customizing this muffler, like this stock one, but I do have a West Coast saw bark box on the way for it, so that'd be nice. So we should be finished within the next week, so make sure to be watching. We shall be posting a video probably starting Wednesday every single day until we finish this, so it should be fun. It's we've never done this kind of stuff. Like, we've worked on chainsaws and stuff, but we haven't really ventured in this deep of chainsaws. But it's fun. I really recommend it if you have even if you don't have a lot of experience. Oh, I do want to show y'all something. So one tool that you do need to put on the cylinder is we just went and picked these up from Pittsburgh, or from Harbor Freight. These are the T25 long ones. I think we got it for like $10. We got like all these, like from T10 to like T40. So don't really use those much, but you use the T25 a lot. So you need, you can't fit like that in there for your traditional T25 like this. You have to go and buy the special long one because it's skinnier and it's super long. That way you can tighten them. But that's the only thing that we've had to buy so far. Oh, I don't know if y'all watched my shorts. I like doing those because I can show y'all guys stuff without having to make a super long video. I forgot to show y'all. I forgot to take a video on it when we put it in. I forgot to take video of putting the oiler on, but we got that little bearing or gasket, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so that's gonna be fun. That was good. We ordered it from Ace. I think it was like $1.99 maybe. So thanks guys for watching Southern Firewood, and if y'all like the video, probably be doing some more welding videos in the future, but for the present future, we are going to be doing the G660 build. And just thanks for watching Southern Firewood, guys. If y'all like the video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and I always like when y'all comment, so thanks guys.